If you sit way too much like I do all day for work, your productivity and health will benefit from a standing desk. Check out this home office standing desk from Hinomi. Hi, this is David of Tech for Baba. Welcome to my channel. Please consider subscribing if you like useful tech for the family like me. In today's video, let's take a look at Hinomi's S1 standing desk. See if it's easy to put together, and more importantly, let's do a couple of experiments to see if this standing desk is solid and functional. Hinomi offers good varieties of desktop sizes and colorways to choose from. There are 4 desktop sizes ranging from small, 39 inches long by 23.62 inches deep, to the largest XL that's 63 inches long by 27.56 inches deep. 5 colorways: black with black desktop and legs, white, gray, wood grain desktop with white legs, and wood grain desktop with black legs. I have the largest XL size with the wood grain desktop and white legs here. The desk comes in 2 separate boxes, a flat one with the desktop and a very heavy rectangular one for the legs. In the flat box for the desktop, there's this big black sheet with the Hinomi logo and the Beyond Comfort slogan. On the back are the assembly and operation instructions. In the rectangular box, Hinomi includes all the hardware needed as well. Now let's put it together. First, attach the desk legs to the center beams with these 4 hex screws on each side. Hinomi also provides the needed hex L key for doing this. Then, install the side beams with 2 screws on each side. The instructions clearly call out the sizes of the screws needed. And different size screws are packed in different bags. Very thoughtful. Next, connect the center beam together with these 2 center rods. Make sure the openings on these rods are facing inwards. Adjust the length of the center beam to fit the desktop size and align it to the pre-drilled holes on the bottom of the desktop. Make sure the connection slots for the controller box is on the same side as the pre-drilled holes for the control panel. Once the center beam is screwed down, slide the controller box into the connection slot. The controller box has ports on both sides. On one side, there are the F port for an optional voice controller, a HS port for the control panel, and the M2 port for the leg height control. On the other, there are a power plug and a M1 port for the other leg height control. Make sure the side with the control panel port is close to the control panel. Plug in the cables. There's an extension cable to reach to the leg on the far side. Almost there. Attach the control panel next. Make sure it's aligned to the desktop edge. Then attach the bottom cover to hide the controller and cables for a clean look. Lastly, install the 2 feet on the leg with 4 screws each. These are heavy feet with level adjustments on the bottom. Alright, that's it. Like my kids, the first thing I do after the desk is put together is try to shake it. I'm glad to report the Hinomi standing desk is solid and stable. Doesn't move a bit. The desktop is made of sustainable wood, and the wood grain looks and feels good. The legs and feet are robust and solid as we just saw. The control panel has a height display, up and down buttons, 4 height presets, and a setting button. The dual motors are smooth and quiet. Let's try it with a glass of water on top of the desk. Not bad at all. The legs have 3 sections, so the desk has a broad adjustment height ranging from as low as 25.1 inches all the way to 50.3 inches. Water in the glass didn't shake much. Smooth and quiet. The highest spot, 50.3 inches. Let's try lowering it. Again, smooth and quiet without much water shaking inside the glass. The motors are also quite powerful with a lifting capacity of 264 pounds. I'm about 170 on a good day. Let's see how it does with me sitting on it. Aha, up I go. No problem at all. My kids are gonna have fun with this one tonight. Speaking of kids, the desk also has an anti-collision feature for safety. When it hits an object like this chair underneath, the motors reverse so the chair doesn't get crushed. Very good. Now, what's this nice looking chair folded in half underneath the desk, you ask? Good question. This is Hinomi's H1 Pro Ergonomic chair. Besides the ability to fold in half for easy storage under the desk, it has a few other cool, unique features. I'll put a link to a video I did on it in the description below, so you could check it out after this one. Since that video, Hinomi has introduced a new version 2 headrest with a more pronounced curved surface for upright sitting support, and a broader flat surface for reclining comfort. The chair and the desk look quite nice together, don't they? The Hinomi standing desk in this XL size is on sale for $599 US. There are good additional discounts from time to time in the link I'll put in the description below. It's a solid standing desk with robust legs and feet, smooth, quiet, yet powerful motors. If you're looking for a good standing desk to improve your health and productivity at home, check this one out. How many hours do you sit working all day? Have you benefited from having a standing desk? Share with us in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. If you find any part of this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share this video with your friends. If you want to see more videos on how technology can enhance our life with kids and family, please subscribe and check out this video next. I'll see you in that next one. Until then, God bless and remember to cherish each moment. Big thanks to Hinomi for sending this out for me to try and share with you.